Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Koho. I know, you are probably thinking, Koho? What's that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Koho is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid credit card, a high-interest savings account, and a budgeting app. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it all works. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why Koho is so popular. Well, for starters, it's a great way to save money. With Koho, you can earn cash back on your everyday purchases, and you can also get a high interest rate on your savings. Plus, the Koho app makes it easy to track your spending and set financial goals. So, how does Koho work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. First, you need to sign up for a Koho account. Once you've done that, you can add money to your account using a variety of methods, such as direct deposit or bank transfer. Once you have money in your account, you can start using your Koho card to make purchases. Now, let's talk about the different features that Koho offers. First, there's the Koho prepaid credit card. This card is accepted at millions of locations worldwide, and it gives you access to a variety of features, such as cashback rewards, travel insurance, and fraud protection. Next, there's the Koho high-interest savings account. This account offers a competitive interest rate, and it's a great way to save money for the future. Finally, there's the Koho app. This app makes it easy to track your spending, set financial goals, and manage your finances. So, there you have it. Koho is a great way to save money, earn cash back, and manage your finances. If you're looking for a financial tool that can help you reach your financial goals, I highly recommend checking out Koho. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.